Unpackage the individual components and familiarize yourself with all the parts. Read the instructions carefully. Measurements for the upper and lower mounting supports are provided for those who want to measure and lay out, but the unit will install quickly without measuring. Insert a shelf hub through the bottom of the shelf with the groove in the hub away from the kidney. On the round version, the groove is used to align the hub cone. From the top, align the rib inside the shelf hub cone with the groove on the shelf hub. Secure with the 3 number 8 by 1/2 inch flathead machine screws that are provided. Repeat with the second shelf. Taking a complete shelf assembly, place upside down inside the cabinet and determine organizer positioning. Make sure you have equal distance on all sides from the edges of the cabinet to the shelf and that the shelf clears the door and any hinges. Mark the mounting location by tracing around the inside of the hole in the middle of the shelf. Place one shelf support on the circle you have drawn, aligning the set screw from corner to corner of the cabinet. Secure with the number 8 by 3/4 inch flathead wood screws provided. From the top of the pole, slide on one shelf assembly, the other shelf support, and then the second shelf assembly. Carefully work the organizer into the cabinet opening. Place the bottom of the pole into the lower mounting support. Grasping the outer pole with one hand, turn the inner pole counterclockwise with the other hand. Place the upper mounting support on top of the pole. Once the twist lock is free, extend the pole until the upper mounting bracket is tight against the upper cabinet surface. Mount upper mounting support with the 4 number 8 by 5/8 inch panhead wood screws that are provided. Turn inner pole clockwise to tighten the twist lock. Determine the upper shelf height, and holding the shelf support with one hand, tighten the set screw in the support. Lift lower shelf and tighten set screw in the lower mounting support. Operate the unit to check alignment, untighten and reposition shelf as necessary.